Hello and welcome. How are you doing today? Today I think that I like to show you that how I add this distillate water to this car's battery. And now I have here this original battery. There is issue that this battery says that this service indicator indicates in here that this is black, and it means that insufficiently charged. And what is reason for this that this battery don't charge normally? Okay, and there is now situation that when I analyze this battery, there is this indicator and there are those info things. Green means that sufficiently charged, and it's like okay, and then this black is that insufficiently, and then this yellow or white means that replace battery. And in that battery there is now issue that there is lack shortage of this distillate water. And when we check this measurement scale, there is max and min, and this means this distillate water amount. And now when I move that little bit, we can see that this line is moving in here, and I distill, there is some line, and this water what is in there inside, it is not normal water from from lake or this river. It is a special water what has been filtered out, that small particles are out, and that battery, this liquid name is battery distillate water. And I have here one bottle of this special water, and next I will show that this battery cell area, there is shortage of this distillate water. When we check all of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all of those others, there this line is in a little bit upper in here, but when we check that final one in here, what is in here, this line is lower. Now when I move, you can see that this white line is minimum level, and now we can see that in that cell area this water is in lower than this minimum level, and that's we need to add more distillate water. Okay, and what we need to do first? First we need to know very well that this job is not very easy, because there is this danger poison warning, and there is also message that if we smoke in same time, there is risk that we can get fires and even big small explosion or big, and then we need to always use protective eyes glasses. And now I have here these protective eye glasses, like 3M product is good. And then there is of course information book that we should read more information, like web page. And then there is information that this material, this currently this acid and water liquid what is inside in here, there is not only water inside in these tanks, there is something like 50% or more is acid, and it is very corrosive and poison material. And for that job we need to use very good quality protective clothes, and I have here one example. This is made in England, United Kingdom, UK, and there are those messages that this message in here shows that these clothes can resist really well acid and poison material. And I recommend that if you start to do that kind of jobs, you purchase that kind of clothes, what cost something like $10 or 10 euros per par. Okay, and then it's important to know all time that when you work with these batteries, there is risk that this liquid inside can throws or flies to your eyes or skin, and that's we must to have all time bottle of this fresh water that we can throw and dry this fresh water to our skin or eyes, and then we can help our skin. Okay, but next when we have these protective systems, I will show that how we can add this distillate water in that tank. And even that this battery, there is a meaning that this is service-free battery. We can service this battery so that we take sharp knife, and then there is this duct tape or this white tape in here, and behind of this white plastic paper there are 3 caps, what quite soon I will show you that where they are. And here are those caps, and when I open these caps, I can add there this distilled water. Okay, and my target is now that I like to fill up this tank in that level. Okay, and first I insert my protective glasses and then my gloves, and then I need quite big this screwdriver, what this part fits in these caps in there, and then I insert that in here in this way, and that I rotate that a little bit. Okay, and this opens easily, and here is this cap. And now be carefully. This is in here. There is this acid, poison acid in here, and insert that in so kind of place that it is in safe. So I insert that in here, and then I take this distillate special water, what looks like I insert that in a little bit in here, that it is like normal water, only that there has been take those small particles away. And then I plan to add here this water in that hole, but we can also check that what is their situation. There is this hole, and next I will, sometimes there is risk that this acid can start to boil in there, but let's see that what happened when I insert that in here. Okay, and now it's more, and then we check this our situation in here. Okay, now when we compare these lines, this is now almost full, this area, and then I need to insert that cap in cap. Okay, and then I insert that cap, what was in here, that kind of cap. I insert that in back in this hole, and then I secure and I tighten this bolt well. Okay, and then final step is that because there is now a little bit this acid poison material, I need cotton cloth that I clean those, and then I throw this cotton to my metallic trash box, and I take this my cotton. Okay, and here I have this cotton cloth, and I clean all of these poison acid materials away, and then I clean also my hand, and then I throw that part in trash box, and then I insert this tape back. Okay, and now when this tape is back, I think that this battery is ready to pack this cars area, or then I can recharge this battery. But this was information how to add this liquid, and now it's easy to see that there is much more this liquid than this all other cell areas. Okay, and thank you for watching.